In this video, we'll walk you through how to get started with Solargraf's document management feature. By the end, you'll know how to integrate DocuSign, create document templates, generate documents at the project level, and send documents to your customers. Let's dive right in. First, let's integrate DocuSign with Solargraf. Head to the main navigation menu in the top left corner and look for external integrations. Once you're in the external integration section, you'll be prompted to connect your DocuSign account. Simply enter in your email and DocuSign password to log in. After logging in, you'll be redirected back to Solargraf, where you'll have the option to input your HMAC key, also known as your API account ID. This key is essential for receiving status updates about your documents, so make sure to enter it in and hit save. Next, let's create your document templates. Under the company information section, select document templates. Here you'll see the templates you've created so far. Let's click add new document template. This will open up the template form where you can start entering in your document details. Let's walk through the form. First, select the document type. You can add a brief description to define the document's purpose. If you'd like, you can set an expiry date for the document. The expiry will be calculated based on the send date. So you can specify, for example, that the document expires 30 days after being sent. Next, decide how you want to create your template, either through text editing or uploading a PDF. Let's begin with the text editing. You can type your terms and conditions here or paste them from an external document. Once added, use the rich text editor to customize the font and formatting. If needed, adjust the alignment or styling to match your preferences. Now let's add project placeholders and DocuSign placeholder. Project placeholders link to data points within Solargraf. For example, if you would like to include the homeowner's name or project details, just drag and drop the placeholder where it belongs. DocuSign placeholders allow you to add signature fields, initials, and dates for the customer and countersigner. If you choose to upload a PDF, click Upload PDF File. Select the contract from your computer and click Open. You can then drag and drop placeholders onto your document, including fields for the homeowner's name, system size, and more. Once all of the placeholders are in place, adjust the positioning and font size as needed. Preview the document to ensure that everything looks good. When you're satisfied, hit Save. Next, let's look at custom placeholders. In the document template section of your company settings page, click Manage Custom Placeholders. You can add a custom placeholder by filling in the name and value. For example, you might need a placeholder for your local AHJ. If the value varies, you can leave it blank. Once saved, you can access custom placeholders from your project placeholder list. Simply drag them into the document where needed. At the project level, you can manage your custom placeholders and input specific values before sending. Now that your template is set up, let's move on to sending the document. At the project level, go to the document template section, select the template you want to send, and import. You can still preview and make edits. Once your document is finalized with the necessary information, click Send Document. You'll be prompted to choose the design and financing options, example option 2 and cash. After confirming the project information is accurate, proceed to the next step where you'll verify the homeowner's name and email. You can add additional clients or a countersigner if needed and adjust the document expiry date. Once you send the document, you can track the status in the Send History section. Here you'll see when the document was sent along with any other updates. If your system is integrated with an HMAC key, you'll receive email notifications when the document is viewed or signed. And that's a wrap on Solargraph's document management system. We've covered creating and customizing document templates, adding placeholders, sending documents, and tracking their status. You're now ready to streamline your document workflow.